Think of your favorite business. It could be a tiny coffee shop on the corner, a billion-dollar tech company, or even your own business. Now, here's the twist. No matter how big, small, simple, or complex it is, there are only two real ways to optimize it. Just two, not 17 strategies, not 53 hacks. Two, number one, increase revenue. Number two, reduce the cost of delivering that revenue. That's it. Every fancy improvement tactic you've ever heard of: marketing, automation, lean, Six Sigma, AI, better onboarding, better sales, better service, all of it rolls up to one of those two levers. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to think like a continuous improvement specialist, not just a business operator. We're going to break down those two levers, make them practical, and have a little fun doing it. Imagine your business is a machine with only two big dials on the dashboard. Dial 1, revenue. Dial 2, cost to deliver. Turn the revenue dial up and your top line grows. Turn the cost dial down and you keep more of what you earn. Turn both in the right direction and the business feels like a rocket ship. Every improvement idea should answer one question: does this help me make more money or help me deliver the same or better value with fewer resources? If the answer is neither, it's just noise. So here's the mindset shift. Stop chasing random tactics. Instead, ask, how does this increase revenue? How does this reduce cost or waste? Now let's dive deeper into lever number one, increasing revenue. Revenue is simply the total money your business brings in from customers. But here's the fun part: you don't just get more revenue, you engineer it. There are four main revenue boosters. One, sell more to existing customers. Would you like fries with that? Is not just a fast food line, it's a revenue strategy. You can upsell a higher value version of what they already buy, cross sell a complementary product or service, extend subscriptions, maintenance, support, or recurring services. Example: if you're a consultant, don't just sell a one time project. Offer a monthly check in, a performance review package, or an implementation support bundle. Same customer, more value, more revenue. Two, acquire more ideal customers. Not just more customers, more of the right customers, the ones who value what you do and are happy to pay for it. You can sharpen your niche, speak directly to a specific problem and audience. Will improve your offer, make it clearer, more compelling, easier to say yes to. Fix your funnel, better landing pages, clearer messaging, easier buying process. Think of it like fishing: better bait, better spot, better net. Three, increase price where justified. This is the scary one for most people, but it's often the fastest lever. Price increases make sense when you are delivering clear, measurable value. Your offer is underpriced relative to alternatives. You can enhance the experience, support, or guarantees. Even a small price increase on a well positioned offer can dramatically improve profit without adding more work. Four, create new value. Sometimes revenue growth comes from solving bigger problems or solving current problems in a better way. You can add a premium tier for clients who want more speed, customization, or access. Launch new services that remove more pain or add more convenience. Bundle services into a solution instead of selling isolated tasks. So, lever one, increase revenue, is not magic. It's a structured game. More from current customers, more of the right customers, better pricing, and more value. Now, let's look at lever two, where your inner process nerd gets to shine: reducing cost to deliver. Cost to deliver is the total time, money, and resources required to create and deliver what your customers pay for. This is where Lean, Six Sigma, and process improvement live. The goal is simple: same or better value, less waste. Let's break this into 4 fun buckets. 1, eliminate waste. Lean calls waste anything the customer wouldn't happily pay for. Common forms, waiting, work sitting idle, approvals stuck in inboxes, rework, fixing errors, doing the same thing twice. Over processing, extra steps, reports, or touches nobody uses. Excess inventory, too much WIP, too many open tasks, too many unfinished ideas. Every time someone says, "That's just how we've always done it," a process engineer cries inside. 2, automate the repeatable if a task is repetitive, rules-based, low creativity, it is a candidate for automation. Think automated emails instead of manual follow-ups, auto-generated reports instead of spreadsheet gymnastics, checklists, forms, and templates instead of freestyle chaos. Automation doesn't replace thinking, it frees people to think where it matters. 3, standardize and simplify chaos is expensive. Variation drives defects, rework, and frustration. You reduce costs when you define clear standard work. This is the best known way to do it. Reduce unnecessary options and complexity. Create simple, repeatable workflows instead of one-off improvisations. When everyone runs the same playbook, you get better quality and lower costs at the same time. 4, optimize resource allocation. This is a fancy way of saying put the right people and tools on the right work at the right time. You can match capacity to demand instead of overstaffing or burning people out. Outsource low-value tasks and keep high-value thinking in-house. Use data to schedule, plan, and prioritize work intelligently. When you reduce waste, automate smartly, standardize, and allocate resources well, your cost per unit of value drops. That makes every dollar of revenue more profitable. And remember, reduce costs never means crush people. It should mean crush waste. Here's where it gets exciting. The most powerful improvements are the ones that increase revenue and reduce costs to deliver at the same time. Some examples: better onboarding for clients. They understand faster, need fewer support calls, get results quicker, and are more likely to stay and buy more. Revenue up, costs down. Clearer, more focused offers. Easier to sell, easier to deliver, fewer custom one-offs. Revenue up, costs down. Automating your sales and delivery handoffs. Fewer dropped balls, fewer "where's my stuff" emails, more referrals. Revenue up, costs down. When evaluating any new tool, strategy, or project, ask, how does this help me increase revenue? How does this help me reduce cost or waste? And does this have potential to do both? If the answer is neither, it's a distraction. If the answer is both, that's your gold. Let's wrap this into a simple, actionable framework. Step 1, map your value stream. Write down the major steps from lead shows up to customer gets value to customer pays and maybe buys again. Don't overcomplicate it. 5 to 10 big steps is enough. Step 2, put tie and next to each step. Tie for revenue. Where do you actually get paid? Where could you add value that customers would pay for costs? Where do you spend a lot of time, effort, or money? Where do things get stuck? Step 3, brainstorm improvements. For each step, ask, how could we increase revenue here? How could we reduce cost or waste here? Step 4, prioritize the no-brainers. Look for improvements that are high impact and low effort. Start small, prove the win, and then scale. Step 5, repeat. Optimization is not a one-time event, it's a habit. Keep asking those 2 questions, and your business will keep getting better. Remember, every impressive business you admire is just a system that learned to consistently pull 2 levers: increase revenue, reduce costs to deliver that revenue. Now, here's your challenge. After this video, pick one idea to increase revenue and one idea to reduce cost in the next 30 days. Don't just watch optimization, practice it. Before you click off, if you're serious about getting more profit out of the business you already have, I've put together 3 resources that go way deeper than this video. First, there's the Revenue and Cost Optimization Toolkit. This is an interactive workbook and set of templates that walk you step by step through mapping your value stream, marking where revenue is created and where costs pile up. You'll get fill-in-the-blank templates for your lead to cash process, a simple value stream map, and a revenue cost heat map for each process, plus 2 quick checklists, 10 ways to increase revenue from what you already do, and 10 ways to cut waste without hurting quality or people. Second, there's a 2-lever business audit mini course. In 4 to 6 short lessons, you'll see exactly how to run a DIY audit. Map your processes, spot the 8 wastes, and connect each improvement to either more revenue or lower cost. I also walk through real examples from service and sales-based businesses, and you'll get a simple 30-day action plan. 1 revenue win and 1 cost win you can execute right away. And for those of you who are ready to get really serious, there's the Done For You process map and continuous improvement templates pack. You'll get ready to use process maps for the core small business flows: lead gen, sales, onboarding, delivery, billing, and support, with built-in columns to tag value-added work in each of the 8 wastes, all tied back to revenue and cost impact. You also get a 1-page CI playbook that shows you how to run quick Kaizen-style improvements using those templates. If you want to turn what you just learned into real money and real cost savings, check the link in the description. Grab the resource that fits where you are and start applying this in your business today. Optimization is not a one-time event. It's a habit. Keep asking those 2 questions, and your business will keep getting better. Remember, every impressive business you admire is just a system that learned to consistently pull 2 levers: increase revenue, reduce cost to deliver that revenue. Now here's your challenge. After this video, pick 1 idea to increase revenue and 1 idea to reduce cost in the next 30 days. Don't just watch optimization, practice it.